Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Sheikh Saqib. I am going to tell a story before you. The title of my story is The Cap Sailor and the Monkeys. Once there were a cap sailor. Caps, caps, 5 rupees caps, 10 rupees caps, caps, caps. One day he became very tired, so he taking rest under a tree. Soon he fell asleep. He had a cap on his head. He had kept a basket of caps beside him. There were monkeys on the tree. They saw the cap sailor and the caps. Wow! Colorful caps! They came down. They took out the caps and put them on their head. When the cap sailor woke up, he saw the caps were missing. Where are my caps? Where are my caps? When he looked up, he saw the monkeys wearing the caps. Hey monkey, give my caps! Give my caps! The cap sailor knew that monkeys copied orders. Then he took off his cap and threw them on the ground. All the monkeys took off the cap and threw on the ground. The cap sailor took all the caps and went away. Moral of the story is always use your common sense. Thank you.